Hi, in this video I'm going to briefly go over the assignment and then model the example scenario so that you have an idea of how to model the three scenarios that you are responsible for and how to perhaps do the optional fourth video. So our goal today is to be able to use a force and motion simulator to model Newton's laws of motion, and to demonstrate our understanding by producing a narrated screen capture video like this one that also connects the modeling to the performance of our mousetrap cars. Right? You're going to take a little bit of time at first just to familiarize yourself with the force and motion simulator. Just play around in all of these different parts of the simulator to just figure out how the simulator works so you'll know how you might use it. Okay, you're going to make 3 or 4 videos and then choose your best video for grading and sharing with others. Have a look at the details of the rubric. You're basically going to be scored on how well you model the scenario, how well you connect to the mousetrap car, and just overall video quality. So let's have a look at the example scenario. I want to model this scenario. An object at rest remains at rest unless acted on by an outside force. This is a very simple scenario. I could probably use just about any of the simulator parts. I do not need anything particularly advanced. When you're modeling things that have to do with mass and acceleration, you may wish to use the acceleration simulator, but all I need to show is that an object at rest remains at rest unless acted on by an outside force. An object at rest remains at rest unless acted on by an outside force. So here I have an object at rest. I'm going to show my forces. Okay, I could not show them. Like if I pause and add a force, I'm going to want the force arrow on. So when you make your own videos, you'll want to be using the appropriate features to model the scenario. I think all I need to do is show that there is a force and that this object at rest will remain at rest until it is acted on by an outside force. Now, this is very simple and basic, but I can add that this connects to my mousetrap car because my mousetrap car is going to remain at rest until it's acted on by a force. And the force that is going to get the mousetrap car accelerating, we can see this object is accelerating because there's a constant force applied. The force is going to come from the spring of the mousetrap. Now at some point, in my mousetrap car, the spring stops applying a force, and at that point, my car is no longer going to accelerate. But I think in order to show that, I'm getting ahead of myself, I would need a section of the simulator, like this friction section, that also gives me the ability to apply friction. Okay, I hope that helps. Be sure when you are done with your videos, you're going to insert them right here in the slide, as I've done. And be sure to move your best video to the top of the presentation so I'll know which video you would like to be graded and which one is best for sharing with others. Thank you.